Hello, my name is Christina and I took part in the From Separation to Unity Facilitator Training in September 2022 on Lesvos Island. And I would like to share with you my experience that I made during these 7 days. The From Separation to Unity training gives us the opportunity to enter the space of unity, of oneness, melting into oneness, and to remember that we all come from one source, which is love, and it brings us also really back to our own home, to our own heart. It connects us to our heart and to all the hearts around us, and it really expands our capacity of loving ourselves, of loving others, of being in unity. So it is, besides the rare experiences that I have made with plant medicines, one of the experiences that allowed me to remind who I really am and where I really come from. And besides the aspect of bringing us from separation to unity, it also embraces our hearts deeply and allows anything to heal in the heart that it's still in disharmony or that might have been kind of like broken. It carries all the pieces together that we lost over our life until now and brings them back together like a puzzle that somehow step by step is coming back together and lets our flower blossom again, the flower that we are with the fragrance that we are. And also it actually really allows us to find back to our pure nature and our authentic being. So I really am so grateful to Kaifi, who brings out that incredible, amazing work, and to all people that support it and that I had the opportunity to experience this. Thank you so much.